equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on repairing your Thermomix TM31. In this tutorial, we will focus on 3 key components: the plate, blade, and panel. Let's get started with the tools you'll need for this repair. First, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts during the process. Now, let's begin with the plate. Start by removing the screws located at the base of the Thermomix. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the plate off. Inspect it for any signs of wear or damage. If the plate is dirty, use the soft cloth to clean it thoroughly. A clean plate ensures better performance and longevity of your Thermomix. Next, we'll move on to the blade. To access the blade, you'll need to remove the central screw that holds it in place. This is where your flathead screwdriver comes in handy. Carefully unscrew the blade and lift it out. Check for any food residue or damage. If the blade is dull, consider replacing it for optimal performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. After inspecting the blade, let's clean the area around it. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any debris. This step is crucial as it prevents any buildup that could affect the functionality of your Thermomix. Now, let's address the panel. If your panel is unresponsive or has issues, it may need a reset or replacement. Start by unscrewing the panel screws, similar to how you did with the plate. Once removed, gently pull the panel away from the unit. Inspect the connections and wiring for any visible damage. If you notice any issues, it's best to consult a professional. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. After checking the panel, reassemble your Thermomix by reversing the steps. Place the panel back, secure it with screws, and then reattach the blade and plate. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any future issues. Finally, give your Thermomix a thorough clean on the outside. A clean appliance not only looks good but also functions better. If you're not comfortable performing these repairs, don't hesitate to contact us. We offer no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get your Thermomix serviced. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to repairing your Thermomix TM31. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can have your appliance running like new again. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.